In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to transfer money using Opay. So let's say you just open your Opay account and you don't know how to navigate from one section to another. We have made a lot of videos around Opay, which of course you can navigate from one place to another using this channel, where we already have multiple Opay app tutorial. So you can just search Opay and then you'll be able to find a lot of videos around Opay. So all you just want to do when you want to open or transfer money using Opay, so you can see on my dashboard right here, you see to Opay right here and you see to bank right here. So which means this is actually telling us that if you click on to Opay, that means if you want to transfer money from your own Opay account to another Opay account, you can use to Opay. And if you are transferring money from Opay to bank to other bank which is not Opay, you have to click on to bank. So if I click on to Opay now, then it means that any bank I actually want to send money to should be to Opay bank account. So if I go back now, I click on to bank. So any platform or any bank I want to send money to should be a bank outside Opay. So all you just need to do, just type in the account number of the person you want to transfer money to at the first section right here. So you can see enter 10-digit account number. So let's say I want to input account number 001884639. So you can see this is a Stanbic account, so it will pop up the account number and the name. You can see it's a Stanbic bank account. So then you're gonna select Stanbic bank if it correlates with the bank you actually want to send to. So once you do, just select the bank, then you can see it will put up, then click on next. Then here you can put in the amount you want to transfer to that person. Then after you put in the amount, so let's say 100 naira for example, then click on confirm. Then it's gonna pop up where you already have money. So if you have money in your wallet or you have money in your Opay or wealth, so then click on pay. Then it's gonna request for your account number, so provide your account password. So provide your password and then the money will be transferred successfully using your Opay account.